One of the things we wanted to replace was the NOS lines, because some of them are close to the fire, but it seems that about 3-4 places that John visited the other day to try and get some new lines made up, when we asked for -3 and -4 crimped lines and they found out it was for nitrous, they basically all claimed that they didn't know what it was and couldn't make it. So well done hose manufacturing companies from avoiding the actual job that you do. So we can't get them remade in time. Don't really want to do them with compression fittings, so I'd rather keep the crimped fittings. So now I'm just going to basically clean them up, run fluid through them, make sure they're clean, and pressurise them to make sure we don't get any leaks or pressure drop, so they should be safe to go after that. This definitely means it's another late night. Slowly getting there with the wiring and terminations. It's getting to that time of night where we're not actually really sure what we're doing. We've ticked a lot of stuff off the lists, but things are in. Just a bit of wiring to sort out tomorrow morning. Brakes and clutches to bleed up. Engine oil to finish. Crank it over a little bit, just get some oil moved around it, and then probably try and go broom broom. But
power steering's got to go in the morning.
Oh yeah, power steering.
That's about it.
That would help. But aside from that, it's looking fucking sick. I've even got my own proper oil sticker. Nothing is as lubricative as mackerel oil. Don't forget to put oil in the morning.